What's up, everybody? It's the one, the only, your boy Shifting Gears B, and today I'm very excited to bring this video to you guys for two reasons. The first reason is that milestone of reaching over 2,000 subscribers. For a fairly new channel, that is epic to get to that milestone so fast. It just goes to show that we're heading in the right direction. So thank you all for the likes. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. I got some exciting things coming up in the near future, so keep watching. As you all know, this channel is all about motorcycle riding, car shows, group rides, stunts, anything to do with motorcycles, basically. Like I said, there are two reasons for this video, and the second reason is, if you've been there with me since the beginning, you know I've recently started adding some drone area footage to my videos to give you guys a different perspective of all the content. The drone that I've been using was not a good drone. It was shaky, not smooth, and just pretty much awful. You guys don't deserve that. So what I'm going to do and be sharing with you guys today is the unboxing of my new drone and the first flight. It is a DJI drone. I get no proceeds for mentioning DJI or this particular drone. It is from China, and I got to admit, China do make some good drones. So comment below what you think of this drone or any suggestions for that matter. Also, keep in mind that this is not a tutorial of how to fly a drone or how to unbox or anything like that. I just want to share with my subscribers this new drone and the new area footage that I'll be bringing to you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. It's really light, like they said. This is like a FPV, a first-person view remote control monitor, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Also got some accessories here, but let's just open this drone. Very small, very compact drone. Charging cables, extra propellers, just all the literature that tells you, which I already know, how to fly a drone. It also has some protection around that gimbal as well. But these arms just fold out. That's very small, very compact. But the battery is going to have to be charged for the first time. So I'm going to get back with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and charge up this drone, get all the firmware and everything updated, and I'm going to get it up in the air, let you guys see that first flight. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video right here, and when we get back, we should be ready to fly. All right, so we're all charged up. The firmware has been updated, so let's get this drone up in the air. What's up, family? We're up in the air. I'm already impressed with this drone. Look at this video footage. Look how smooth this is. It also has zoom capabilities. Now look at this, what I just put up in the left-hand corner of your screen. That's the drone footage that I shot a couple of weeks ago at the car show. Look how unsteady that is. It's not smooth. It's shaky. It's all over the place. It wasn't even windy that day. So I'm already impressed. I'm glad that we was able to get this new drone. I'm glad I was able to share that unboxing with you guys. Again, thank you for the 2,000 subscribers to be at that milestone at this time as far as being a very fairly new channel. I appreciate you guys. Again, like I said, I have a lot more content, a lot more things to be coming to you guys soon, and you're not going to be disappointed.